I was asked by a couple people how I make my protein coffee, so I thought I'd make a quick video and show you exactly what I do. So the first thing I'm gonna do is brew up my coffee. So I have a reusable K-cup here because I don't like to use the single-use ones because they waste plastic. I have it filled with some New England coffee, chocolate cappuccino, but I switch up my flavors all the time, so you can do pretty much any flavor. So I just pop that in there. And I'll hit brew. I actually measured it because I usually don't measure. It's exactly 1 cup of coffee, and I used 1 teaspoon of grounds. So it is very, like, if you would dump it out, it's very light. It's definitely not like a dark roast at all. All right, and then what I do is I take my chocolate Premier Protein. I use about 1/3 of the container of the Premier Protein, and then I have Fairlife chocolate milk. You can kind of see the color, it's super light. And then the last thing I do is I have sugar-free Cool Whip. So you can see I have my whipped cream in there. And then I'm gonna take my peppermint extract and I'm gonna, people say that I use way too much peppermint extract. I love peppermint. This is gonna give you a really strong peppermint flavor. So go ahead and reduce that if you don't like stuff that tastes really, really pepperminty. Protein coffee. Enjoy.